I was down in Falmouth looking at 3 jobs yesterday, and Mike called me because this house is 150 years old, and on the rake boards they have a molding detail that was tied into the roof, but the roof had 2 layers of asphalt off. So when our guys went to pull it, that molding was kind of floating. That's kind of my forte. Is I did building and remodeling for years. So I jumped on a boat, went over to the island, went through the process with our foreman on it, and you can see right here. Actually, he had to do this detail in order to put these moldings back up securely, so they're gonna last like our roof will. And the other problem was we had to try and find some molding to match. So I went over to Cottles and found that right there, which is pretty good match. So we use it in case we need to replace any. Because what we don't want to do is rip it all off and then say, oh, this is as close as we can get. Before we do it, we want to figure out what materials we have, available. I'll just let you know what, differentiates between Associate Roofing and other roofing contractors. This house we're working on is 150 years old. You run into this all the time with existing moldings from older homes, and we take the time to either duplicate or find a molding that matches that. So when it goes back together, your house looks the same way it did when we got there, but nicer.